kunting tao. Kunting tao, gandang buhay. Welcome to my vlog on my channel. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher B. Erlinda Bing Casilon. I'd like to feature to you the Kenshin Wellness Japanese Center here in Lang Cotabato.
Wala din sa inyo na paghawakan mo siya.
Sir GM is demonstrating.
Kasi kayong connected. So parehas kayong nag-therapy.
Okay lang, sir.
Ikaw pa daw siya.
Ay, wala.
Video ko wala na ikaw.
Okay lang, sir.
Parehas kayong nag-therapy po.
They are demonstrating, Sir G. So we have Sir Inting Boy na floor and Sir Sambong Dislati is here. And according to them, they have undergone so many wellness already. Okay, so this is it. We just have a glimpse. Sir GM is explaining
pag malapot ang dugo kasi natin,
the
pag
benefits.
makikita po natin yan sa microscope, dikit-dikit. Okay? So pag malalapot ang dugo natin, dikit-dikit siya, ibig sabihin, pag lumapot ang dugo natin, magiging acidic ang buong katawan. Okay? Yes. Pag acidic ng buong katawan, lahat ng sakit pwedeng pumasok.
So have a glimpse of Kenshin users, advocates. So we'll get glimpses of the lecture of Sir GM.
Dito po malalaman natin yan. No, hindi na siya pula. Meron po siyang itim-itim. So, ibig sabihin, unhealthy person na po kayo. Ito po yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, sir. No? Na ang mangyayari, pag barado po ang ugat ninyo, sir, pwedeng bypass operation po ang mangyayari sa iyo. No? So, ngayon, siyempre, ang maganda lang kasi dito, sa therapy po natin, no? Pag nag-undergo po kayo ng therapy, ang ginagawa po ni static energy, binabakbak naman po niya yung mga nagbabara sa mga ugat natin. Yung mga nagbabara sa ating ugat, ibig sabihin,
Okay, we listen to Sir GM presentation.
No? So,
why we need
to
have this Kenshin machine,
yung mga hindi kailangan,
Japanese technology,
like toxin, harmful substances, and etc. So, ilalabas po natin yan to portal exit. So, ibig sabihin, nagde-detox po ang therapy po natin inside your body.
For now,
ngayon, ang magandang benepisyo po, ang makakaroon po kayo dito, na benepisyo po niya sa katawan, nagre-revive, nag-activate, nagre-revive, nagre-rejuvenate, nagre-repair, nag-a-adjust, at nagre-recover ng mga damaged cells sa loob at sa labas nating pangatawan. Kaya po niyang i-normalize ang high blood pressure, creatinine, cholesterol, uric acid, sugar, at napakarami pa po yung iba. At ang maganda lang kasi dito sa therapeutic device na ginagamit natin, wala siyang no side effect, and kaya po niyang mag-increase ng metabolism ng tao, at kaya niyang tanggalin yung mga free radicals. Pag sinabi pong mga free radicals, nakukuha po natin yan, radiation, air pollution, mga chemical, stress, yan po yung mga radiation, mga radicals, no? Pag ang tao po kasi may tinatawag na free radicals sa katawan that can destroy the cells and disrupts the normal functions of the organ. So ang maganda lang kasi dito, pag tinanggal po niya lahat ng free radicals, na nagkakaroon po ng delay aging process. So, ibig sabihin, nakakapagpabata po ang ating therapy ng insert. Okay? Delay aging. And then, improve physical beauty.
Nagwapo ka sa nasam.
Ibig sabihin, nakakapagpaganda na.
Yeah, 5 years younger.
Nagwapo, ginagawa ng documentary.
Yes, 5 years younger.
Kaya nga po, may nag-therapy po sa amin dito, no? Kulubot ng naong niya, pero nag-therapy lang dito, nagwapo na.
Wow! So, Sir Boy Floor and Sir Dislati, 5 years younger.
Hindi lang yan, kaya niyang pagandahin ang sirkulasyon ng dugo ninyo at papalakasin niya ang immune system. But hindi lang po yan. So, pag nag-undergo ka ng therapy po dito, make the body less prone to diseases. Yes, yan ang pinakagusto ko po sa therapy. At pag tumagal po kayo sa therapeutic device, may mga advantage benefits kayong makukuha sa therapy. No? Pwedeng tanggalin ng maintenance, no? Pwedeng matatanggal yan after laboratory. Pero hindi po kami magsasabing tanggalin mo yan. Ang makakapagsabi po niyan after laboratory test po niya. And then pwede pong kumain now, pwedeng makakatulog na po ng mabuti sa gabi. Babata po ng 6 na taong gulang. O kaya magiging more energetic, skin becomes smoother. O pwede po mag-lighten ng scars and have a good appetite. The hair and nail will grow faster. So, paano po yung process po niya? So, to go outside. So, tatanggalin po niya yung mga toxin. Saan po siya lalabas? Siyempre, ibig sabihin, to portal of exit. So, ibig sabihin, pamamagitan po ng portal of exit, doon po lalabas lahat ng dumi na nagkukos po ng sakit sa katawan. Okay, siyempre, dito sa number 1, cleansing. Ibig sabihin, using Kensen potential therapy.
So for now, this is my coverage. I'm in the second room, and my co-Kensen user is using optical. Okay, introduce yourself, ma'am. Again, Reyes Lalane. So how many months ka na dito, ma'am? Wala pa nag 1 month. So far, what are the wellness that you have experienced? Your eyes become clearer. Okay, so this is it. Optical si ma'am sa ikatatlong butas. Then if you like to have this one, negative internal organs. So this is the Kensen machine. So what are you waiting for? You can also avail their foot massage here. But you need to have an invitation of 1 person to have that stuff, or you have to buy this alkaline water or 2 bottles. Then it will entitle you for the second room to avail the special wellness. Okay, so this is the machine Kensen. So for now, this is just my vlog, my sharing, and I'm happy that Sir Inting Boy Naplor and Sir Samboy Disrate is already here joining me. And here they are waiting for the next session. My co-Kensen users, have a glimpse of them. Wave to the camera, ma'am, sir. Okay, they are my co-Kensen users. And have you felt something? Okay na? Wellness? Wala pa.
Wala pa.
So bago ka lang, ma'am.
Kahapon lang.
Kahapon lang. Here is another Kensen user, the Minda Studio proprietor. And he is doing good. So kahapon pa lang, first timer pala sila. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, I have a glimpse of Kensen users and advocate. Another one, si ma'am. Tagal ka na dito, ma'am? Yeah.
15 days.
15 days. So far, what are your wellness? Improvement. Okay na. Of course, na-well are you? Any wellness? Ay, mayain si sir. So ito na lang ako kay ma'am Angel. Wave to the camera, ma'am Angel. So just invite them to come with the beautiful handsome presenters.
As always,
libre lang.
Sarili nyo.
Yeah, come now.
Come
Yeah.
now to Kensen. We are open every day from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Okay, so that's Ma'am Angel Canillas Solis. And Sir Jai, invite them to visit MSC.
Try to visit Kensen High Potential Therapy to get
wellness. Okay, so Sir Jai would not like to tell me his or name. Sige lang, okay na. So this is my day coverage here in Kensen. For now, I have to end my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, live and alive at Kensen, Philippines, located here in Emet Silpila Street ng Cotabato. Okay, so thank you for watching my vlog. Until my next video about Kensen. It's just beside the facial salon. So come now. Inviting you because me too have experienced wellness. This is it. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, live and alive on a lunch break, 12 to 1 here in Kensen, Philippines, Lang Branch Wellness Center, Japanese Technology. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, gandang buhay.